Hi and welcome back to my channel. In honor of Veterans Day, we are making an abstract American flag cake. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started. I've baked an 8x12 cake, so we'll start off by making our template. We'll cut a piece of parchment paper to the exact size of the cake, and we'll cut out a 4x4 square from one of the corners. We're going to mix up some royal icing in red, blue, and white. Full list of ingredients will be in the description box below. We'll pour each color into a separate piping bag and snip off the tip of each bag so we can drizzle the icing. Take the larger piece of the template and place that down onto the cake. We'll start off with the top left corner. We'll drizzle blue and white icing in a diagonal pattern. This will symbolize the blue field of white stars. Carefully lift off the template and set this aside to dry completely. Once dry, take this small square of parchment paper just to cover up the blue and white that we've already decorated. And while that's drying, we'll move on to our dog tags. So we'll just roll out a piece of gray fondant. We'll cut out 2 squares. and then trim those down into rectangles. And then I'll take a circle cutter and round off each of the shorter ends to get the shape of a dog tag. With a Dresden tool on the dog tags, I just want to write the words thank you. Thank on one tag and you on the other. So I want to paint these with a little bit of silver pearl dust, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get some. I'm just adding a little bit of lemon extract, and this will turn it into an edible paint. I want to accentuate the words thank you, so I'm just going to go over them with some black food gel. I'll take a small piping tip to cut out the holes where the chain goes. Next up is the chain. I'll roll out a small piece of gray fondant. And we'll push that into the mold. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one. I'll trim away any excess fondant. And I'll paint that with the pearl petal dust as well. So there you have it, an abstract American flag cake in honor of Veterans Day. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.